Hey guys, today I welcome you to my little garden. So I've been away for 3 weeks and I've realized 3 weeks is such a long time in gardening. A good gardener requires a lot of patience since things don't always work out the way we expect them to turn out. I'm very excited to be harvesting my first tomatoes, and I'm also so sad about something I will be showing you later in the video. I noticed some bugs in the garden, but I'm glad they did not interfere with my tomatoes. They're all clean. At this point, I must say I'm very happy and very proud of myself as a small-scale farmer. It is my first time planting cucumbers and I'm happy with the results. It is also my first chili harvest and I got a lot of chilies. And I'm so happy that they're still flowering. That means I'm going to have a continuous supply of chili. I must say this is really fulfilling. Just seeing things that I planted becoming food. I grew mint in a container and it's all full. So I'm just gonna be trimming to allow more growth. I love this mint in my smoothies and any other fresh drinks. It tastes so refreshing. It's not yet time to harvest the carrots, but I just want to check how far we are. Looks like we have about 2 weeks to harvest. And it looks really short. But I'm happy. It's my first time growing the carrots. The spinach are looking really great. But I'm sad about the collard greens. There's a pest that has infected the collards and the leaves are coiling. I think I'm just going to uproot all the infected ones and then I get new seedlings to plant in this area, because I honestly want the garden to stay organic. I do not want to use artificial pesticides on these plants I'm growing here. I'm glad I got something to harvest before I uproot them. So let's say I have dinner. Meet my daughter Lexi, who's been behind the camera and is now negotiating her pay. I also tried the Chinese cabbage, which is doing amazing. So someday I'm gonna have some kimchi. That's a huge cucumber. Being a first timer, I'm so impressed with my work. Let's have a look at the beetroot now. It's already forming the tuber, which is looking pretty good. It's growing so fast. When I left 3 weeks ago, the strawberries were so young. I just planted them, but now look what we have. We're gonna have a lot of strawberries very soon. And the carrots, let's see what we have. I'm sure they're already forming. I saw some peeping out of the soil. Sure. That looks very big. So maybe we just have about 2 weeks to harvest the carrots. I'm so excited. This is okra, which I also realized grows very fast. So if you're looking for crops that you can grow probably and harvest within 3 months, I think okra is one of them. And these are bell peppers, which are already flowering also. These things grow so fast. I can't believe 3 weeks has done such a big change in my plants. I'm so sorry about the aeroplane noises. I live around the airport, so throughout the day, that's my life. And lastly, these are red onions that I put in a nursery bed, and looks like they are ready for transplanting. So that's gonna be my next project. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Bye bye.